Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever stepped into a car that feels like an oven after being parked in the sun, you know how important a good sun visor can be. A quality sun visor not only keeps your car cooler, but also protects the dashboard, seats, and other interior surfaces from harmful UV rays. In today's video, we're taking a look at the 5 best car sun visors available in 2026. We'll compare their features, durability, ease of use, and overall value so that you can find the perfect option for your vehicle. Let's get started. Number 5. Designed to safeguard vehicle interiors from blistering heat accumulation and destructive ultraviolet radiation, the Magnelex car windshield sunshade, large 63 by 33.8 inch, serves as a highly efficient frontline defense against relentless solar exposure. Its primary purpose and key feature center around an upgraded dual-layer 240T high-density reflective polyester construction, which is engineered to block twice as much radiant heat and UV rays compared to standard single-layer models, thereby protecting dashboards, leather seats, and digital displays from premature aging, fading, and cracking. In real-life summer scenarios, this dual-layer architecture delivers outstanding performance, dramatically lowering internal cabin temperatures, eliminating scorching steering wheels, and enabling air conditioning systems to cool the car in a fraction of the time. The build quality is notably robust for a collapsible shade, featuring reinforced border stitching and an elastic spring steel wire ring that presses tightly against the windshield edges with minimal light gaps, while a top hook and loop cutout fits neatly around rear view mirror mounts. Ease of use is a highlight, popping open instantaneously upon deployment. Although mastering the twist collapse technique into a figure 8 takes a moment of practice for first-time buyers, it quickly folds flat into the supplied storage pouch. When set alongside key market competitors like the entry-level EcoNor Sunshade, which relies on a single layer of 210T fabric, the Magnelex shade feels noticeably thicker, offers complete light opacity without pinhole leaks, and maintains lower internal temperatures during prolonged parking under direct sunlight. Given its accessible price point, often bundled with an extra steering wheel cover, it offers tremendous value for money against costlier custom-fit accordion options. Ultimately, drivers residing in hot climates, outdoor parkers, and truck or SUV owners looking to preserve their vehicle's interior value will derive substantial benefits from this product, and I wholeheartedly recommend it as an essential, high-performing automotive accessory. Number 4. The NAZZO Sun Visor Extender for Car is designed to fill the critical gap left by standard vehicle sunshades by delivering targeted protection against low-angle glare, blinding UV rays, and intense snow reflection for safer daytime driving. Constructed from high-impact, eco-friendly polycarbonate, PC, the durable tinted lens filters out blinding glare while maintaining exceptional optical clarity without distorting road visuals. What sets this model apart is its innovative magnetic mounting system, a unique design aspect that replaces rigid clips or stiff slide tracks with a strong magnetic connection, allowing smooth 360-degree multi-directional adjustment, left, right, up, or down. Installation is effortless and tool-free, utilizing adjustable straps that secure firmly around most car and SUV visors under 9.4 inches tall, while a clever finger hole at the bottom of the PC lens allows drivers to re-angle the shade without leaving smudges or fingerprints. In real-life scenarios, such as sunrise and sunset commutes when the sun hovers low on the horizon, the extender excels by blocking harsh light gaps that factory visors fail to reach, significantly reducing eye fatigue and preventing snow blindness during bright winter drives. When compared to traditional competitors like the JOYTUTUS slide-out sun visor extender, which relies on rigid horizontal sliding tracks that often stick, loosen over time, or restrict movement to a single axis, NAZZO's magnetic mechanism offers far superior flexibility, effortless one-handed positioning, and seamless side window coverage. Considering its sturdy build quality, impressive optical tint, and versatile magnetic mounting, the NAZZO extender delivers outstanding value for money relative to basic plastic clip-on alternatives. Overall, shorter drivers, daily highway commuters, and anyone frequently driving in bright, snow-covered, or low-sun environments will derive immense safety benefits from this practical accessory, making it a highly recommended upgrade for virtually any vehicle. Number 3. The Sun Visor Extender for Car with two-side sunshades is designed to eliminate blind spots caused by low-angled sunlight and harsh environmental reflections, elevating driver safety during early morning, late afternoon, or winter drives. At the heart of its performance is an optical-grade, shatterproof polycarbonate PC main lens, combined with dual pull-out side panels, providing comprehensive three-way protection that blocks 100% of UV 400 rays while neutralizing dazzling road glare. Unlike fragile resin or acrylic alternatives, the PC lens construction is exceptionally impact-resistant, high-temperature tolerant, and scratch-resistant, ensuring crystal-clear optical clarity without warp or distortion over time. The key design innovation lies in its true polarized filtering technology, boasting over 99% polarization efficiency, paired with an anti-gap top barrier, ensuring no stray shafts of light slip through between the factory visor and the extension panel. In real-life driving scenarios, such as navigating wet asphalt with severe reflection or facing direct horizon glare, the primary lens and sliding side shades work seamlessly to reduce severe eye fatigue, improve visual contrast, and prevent snow blindness during winter conditions. Ease of use is exceptional, featuring universal heavy-duty elastic straps with adjustable buckles for a snug, non-shake fit on almost any car, SUV, or truck visor, along with side finger tab controls that prevent fingerprint smudges across the main lens. When compared to standard single-panel slide-out extenders like the tack visor, which only extend downward on one axis and often leave lateral blind spots around the rear-view mirror, this two-side panel design delivers vastly superior coverage and customized adjustability. Offered at an affordable price point, its multi-directional coverage and true UV 400 polarization make it a high-value investment that easily outperforms basic tinted plastic clips. Ultimately, shorter drivers, everyday commuters, road trippers, and individuals sensitive to bright light will find this an indispensable auto accessory, and I wholeheartedly recommend it for a safer, squint-free driving experience. Number 2. The Polarized Sun Visor Extender for Car, 1-pack, large, is engineered to solve a common driver frustration: standard factory visors falling short against low-angle sunlight, blinding horizon glare, and harsh road reflections. Built with high-grade, high-density polycarbonate PC, featuring full UV 400 protection and true polarized film technology, this large-format extension blocks 99.9% of harmful ultraviolet rays while filtering out scattered light without darkening the driver's overall view. Its standout features include a wide-format lens for extra coverage, an adjustable dual-axis slider system, and anti-vibration mounting hardware that prevents annoying rattles over bumpy roads. In real-life driving conditions, such as heading directly into a low-hanging morning sun, driving over glare-heavy wet pavement, or navigating snow-covered roads, the extender dramatically improves contrast, eliminates eye strain, and fills the dreaded gap between the visor and the center mirror. Build quality feels sturdy and premium, utilizing heat-resistant polymers that resist warping or discoloration even during prolonged summer heat waves. Ease of use is straightforward, featuring a universal slide-on clip mechanism with non-slip pads that attach securely to almost any car, truck, or SUV visor without tools, allowing effortless one-handed vertical adjustments while driving. When set alongside basic tinted extenders like the ZoneTech Car Sun Visor Extender, which often uses cheap, unpolarized acrylic that distorts images and only slides on a fixed single axis, this polarized PC model provides superior optical clarity, zero visual distortion, and vastly better glare reduction. Considering its durable materials, visual safety enhancements, and large coverage area, it delivers fantastic value for money compared to standard clip-on shades. Overall, shorter drivers who struggle with standard visor heights, daily highway commuters, aging drivers sensitive to glare, and long-distance road trippers will benefit immensely from this product, making it a highly recommended safety upgrade for any vehicle interior. Number 1. The JOYTUTUS Polarized Sun Visor Extender for cars is specifically designed to eliminate dangerous blind spots caused by low-angle sunlight, intense horizon glare, and scattered reflections that standard vehicle visors fail to block. Featuring a high-grade, shatterproof polycarbonate PC lens equipped with true UV 400 polarization, this visor extension effectively filters out up to 99.9% of harmful ultraviolet rays and blinding glare without distorting ambient light or road visibility. Its most distinctive design aspect is the upgraded double-clip mounting mechanism, paired with an anti-shake slider, which ensures a rock-solid grip on the original car visor and prevents annoying sagging or vibration while driving over bumpy roads. In real-life driving scenarios, such as commuting directly into a low-hanging morning sun, driving across reflective wet pavement, or dealing with bright winter snow, the JOYTUTUS extender performs exceptionally, significantly reducing eye fatigue and eliminating shafts of stray light. Build quality is robust, utilizing heat-resistant PC materials that resist warping, cracking, or discoloration under prolonged summer sun exposure. Ease of use is a standout benefit. The dual clips slide effortlessly onto virtually any car, SUV, or truck visor without tools, and the smooth adjustment mechanism allows drivers to pull down, retract, or angle the lens with a single hand. When compared to budget single-clip competitors like the ZoneTech Car Sun Visor Extender, which often suffers from shaky plastic tracks, loose clips, and non-polarized acrylic that warps visuals, the JOYTUTUS model offers vastly superior structural stability, precise optical polarization, and better overall coverage. Considering its durable dual-clip construction, exceptional eye protection, and reliable road performance, it provides outstanding value for money, compared to cheaper alternatives that need frequent replacement. In conclusion, shorter drivers who cannot get enough coverage from factory visors, daily commuters, and long-distance drivers sensitive to severe glare will gain immense safety benefits from this device, making it a highly recommended addition to any vehicle. That brings us to the end of our list of the 5 best car sun visors in 2026. Each product offers something unique, whether it's better heat protection, improved durability, easier installation, or a more compact design. We hope this guide helps you make the right choice and keeps your car cooler and more comfortable throughout the year. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.